Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Vanguard 25 in League of Legends. So there's a simple fix to this. Here's what you gotta do. The first thing you wanna do is go to search, type in add or remove programs, and you wanna open it. Once it opens, you wanna click here, search apps, type in Riot, and here you wanna uninstall Riot Vanguard. Click yes. And it's optional that you also uninstall League if you want, and then fully re-download it to like fix any issue, or simply re-download just the Vanguard, which I will show you now. And then there's one more step you can do. Once the Vanguard is uninstalled, you want to close this out. You want to relaunch Riot Client. Once the Riot Client opens, you want to go to League. And then click here update, which will install Vanguard again. Allow it. After it's done, it will say here your game requires a system restart, but don't restart it just yet. Here's what you're gonna do next. Exit out of this, go back to search, type in run. In run, you want to type in this services.msc, click OK. It will open this window. You want to click somewhere here, press V on your keyboard till you find VGC. You want to double click on it. Once the window opens, you want to switch the startup type from manual to automatic. Click apply, click OK. And once you're done with this, go back to search last time and type in system configuration. And go to services, click hide on Microsoft services, scroll all the way down till you find VGC. You want to untick it, take it back again, click apply, OK. And it will ask you to restart your PC, and now you restart your PC and then relaunch the game, and that should fix your issue forever. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Vanguard 25 in League of Legends. Subscribe if you want to join the giveaway, like, comment. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.